Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm going to be giving you a hair tutorial. I haven't done a hair tutorial in so long and I've been really meaning to sit down and film. I just got some new goodies in the mail and I was super excited to put them to the test. COVID-19 has us all shopping like crazy and it really needs to stop because I get packages in every single day and I swear one of these days my husband's gonna see how many packages really come to the house. And we don't want that, now do we? So yeah, this look is perfect for a night out. It's perfect for going to the grocery store, running errands. It's perfect for a date night. It's perfect for doing nothing, sitting at home because of COVID-19 and taking awesome selfies. So yeah, you could totally wear this however you want. And I really wanted to show you guys how I get this look because so many of you have asked me. This, I'm gonna say, this ponytail is not real, okay? It's only a couple of inches longer than my natural hair, but my natural hair is not this thick. So every other photo that you've seen on my Instagram with a high pony like this, that's always been my hair. I just got this ponytail in last week and I wanted to film with it. And I'm obsessed because it's so much easier than doing my own hair for some reason, because when I have my natural hair, I have to like do so much. I have to like add extra ponytails to make it look thicker at the base. And then I have to take my own hair and curl it around the ponytail. And then I have to spray it down and straighten some parts of the ponytail. It's just a lot more work than to just toss a ponytail and keep it moving. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to get this super snatched ponytail look, please stay tuned. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video, because many of you have been DMing me telling me that you're not seeing any of my YouTube videos pop up on your feed. All it takes is for you to click that little bell down below by the subscribe button, and that just notifies you via email or even just pops up sometimes whenever I upload a new video. That's super helpful if you guys don't want to miss any of my videos. And I really, really appreciate it. That way I can continue to put content out. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right on into this video. Okay, so for this look, you will need your hair to be at least 2 days without a wash. Mine has been 3 days. I always do 3 days because I wear it straight or whatever for the first 3 days. And then, I'm sorry, for the first 2 days. And then on the third day, I'll put it up in a ponytail. Sometimes even on the fourth day, it works out. It just holds better when your hair is not freshly washed. If your hair is freshly washed and you have super straight hair like myself, it's gonna slip around, it's not gonna hold properly, you're gonna have flyaways everywhere, and we don't want that. So for this look, you're going to need a few things. You will need a brush. This is a detangling brush. I absolutely love this brush. It's from FHI Heat. I have super long hair. It goes all the way down to my butt. So this definitely helps brush my hair so that it's not tangled. Next, you will need a teasing comb of some sort or a boar bristle brush with the bristles super close together like this. Then you will need a comb. It does not have to be a rat tail comb. I just find that I can grip this a lot better with my hand as I'm holding my ponytail. You will also need some LA Looks Extreme Sport hair gel. This has been my ride or die since junior high school. It keeps your hair in place, it does not move, and it does not flake, which is amazing. You can use any gel that you prefer. This is just the one that I like to use. And then you'll need 2 of these elastic hair bands. These are by the brand Goody. I will link them down below. And if your hair is not straight, go ahead and grab a flat iron. This is by FHI Heat. I love how small and tiny this is. It really gets those baby hairs and the very, very beginning of the ponytail without messing up the hair or flattening it out too much. You can kind of curve your hair with this. Another optional tool is the Temp2 AirPod Pro with the root touch-up for our hairline. One more thing that you may need if you have super short hair or if you just want a little jazz to your hair. My hair is down to my butt, but I like a ponytail to be super thick and full. So I just got in last week this ponytail right here. I don't remember how many inches it is, but this is what Ariana Grande wore in one of her music videos. And then it's got like a little clip here to put in the thing that I'll show you how to do that to put into your ponytail. And then it's got the hair wrap part, so you don't need to struggle with like taking a piece of this ponytail to wrap it around. It's got a Velcro strap all around here, so it just holds really, really well onto your natural ponytail. It came with this super cute silk bag, and I am really, really obsessed with this. So let's get started, shall we? And put this ponytail to the side here so I don't jack it up, because you know I will. My hair is not greasy, by the way. I have gel in it because I had my hair slick back like this. If you want to learn how to get that look, I have a video on my channel that you can see. And we're just gonna get started. So the first thing I like to do if my hair is parted to the side is I like to brush it starting at the part all the way back. Brush it up because that's the angle we will be going in. And if it's not perfect, don't even worry about it. Next, squirt some gel. Be generous. Don't worry. There's no such thing as too much gel for us girls in New York. And just smear that. And underneath, because you don't want those little hairs. And then just bring it all the way up as high as you can, because chances are, no matter how high you go, you still got a long way to go. Okay. Doesn't matter if it's not neat, we're gonna fix this all. See, like it looks like a hot mess? That's where your comb comes in. Pull it all the way up like this, just like that. I like to take it all the way here. I like to leave about, I'm gonna say about 2 to 3 inches. So I like my ponytail to be right about here. That's the most flattering for my face. And for many faces actually, when you wanna do a high sleek pony. And you just comb it to really separate the hair so you don't look like you have any bald spots. And to secure this, I like to use these hair ties right over here. I always use 2 of them for a nice tight hold. Now with the ponytail we're using, if your hair ties are not holding your hair really tight, the ponytail will be loose. So these are great. I'll try to link everything in the description bar below for you guys to buy, just to make it easier for you. There you have it. So now, if you don't want to use a ponytail, you can stop right here and you can take a piece of your hair, section off a small piece like this, and wrap this all the way around your ponytail and then secure it with U-shaped pins. But if you want to use a ponytail like I will be doing, I'm going to show you how to get that part. So now, take your pony, brush it. You don't really want to brush it when it's in your head, just because you don't want to loosen it. So I always like to brush it before I put it in my hair, but it's completely up to you. You take this little clip right here, bring the ponytail to the back of your head. Now you put the pin right into the ponytail. Just like that. Make sure it's nice and secure. Then you wrap this short side to the back and you put your head back, wrap this Velcro all the way around the pony. Okay, and bring the hair, tighten it real tight, and keep wrapping the hair around the pony. If some long pieces get in, just separate them, no big deal. And then you take your U-shaped pins and you stick them right in to secure that little piece of hair. Can't get it in. I like to put 2 or 3 of them in. Now be careful that you don't stab your scalp, because over time this thing will hurt like a biatch in like an hour. Not even, like 20 minutes if you stab your scalp. So there we go. Now it's nice and secure. And your ponytail is snatched. Now this ponytail is, I think, like 2 inches longer than my hair, but it's a lot thicker, so it looks a lot longer. And it just looks so nice and full, and it looks so, so good. They have shorter ones on their website. I don't think I mentioned where this ponytail is from. It's from insert name here. That's the name of the company, INH. So yeah, I'll link it down below so you guys can get access to that. Now, to make this ponytail even more snatched, I'm gonna show you guys a little trick that I do every single time I wear my hair up like this. I go in with my Temp 2 Root Touch-Up in the shade Brown Black. I really wish they had a jet black, but they don't. And my brand spanking new Rainbow Air. Pop the cap off, pop the plug it in, turn it on, and watch. We don't like these gaps, so we're getting rid of them. And make our hairline look a little better. See how much better that looks? Cover this part and take it down a little. Just like it to look a little more believable, so I take it right here into the baby hairs and use this to brush it. Just like that. Ta-da! Perfect, right? Now you don't really need hairspray after using this gel, but it's up to you if you want to put some hairspray. Completely up to you. If you have any flyaways, just go ahead and put some more gel on it. But this is basically it. This is how I get that super sleek pony and a snatched look. People think that this takes me so long, and it really doesn't, especially with this ponytail. My hair was already straight because I went ahead and straightened it for a different video that I did before, when I had my hair down parted to the side. But if your hair is not straight and you would like to straighten it, go ahead and go in with a flat iron. I love this one here. This is the FHI Heat flat iron. This is super, super tiny. I like it because I can get these little baby hairs right over here in this area, and I can get the very, very tip of my ponytail. So like, the fatter flat irons won't let me get in there and separate it and section it off if this ponytail got curly or anything. This lets you do that, even with your own hair. So I highly recommend this one. It gets really, really hot. It goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. However, this ponytail, I think, can only withstand 400 or 375, something like that, because it's some sort of synthetic hair. It's not real human hair. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know your thoughts below. I would love to know your thoughts. And if you guys have tried any of these ponytails, which ones? I want to know. They do offer shorter ones. This is the super, super long one. Ariana Grande wore this in her music video, but you can get shorter ones. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really had fun filming it. I haven't done a hair tutorial in a very long time, now that I think about it. So yeah, as always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me already, please go ahead and follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. All of that is at Makeup by Alaha. As always, thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for staying until the very end. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!